So let me ask you this. Would you prefer to promote a course that only offers one digital product that you can promote, earning you just one stream of income? Or would you prefer to promote an interactive program that has live trainings, live mentorships, and offers 4 streams of income because there's 4 different digital products that you can promote, a 900, a 600, a 300, and a 100 product, and it gives you 100% profit. This will also allow your customers to be able to have options that will best fit their financial goals and budget, because we all know, right, that one size doesn't fit all. If you are ready to start your online digital business and learn how you can earn 100% profit making daily pay of $300 to $900, I want you to put yes in the comments, and I would love to share the blueprint that is changing lives, guys. This is a global opportunity. You can do this from anywhere. As long as you have access to Wi-Fi, a cell phone, and 2 hours a day, you can be successful doing this. I am here to help you guys. Put yes in the comments, and I'll send you all the details.